I don't know how I find these deals, but I always do. Hello, YouTube land. Got another Crown Vic for you guys. $500 with a telltale issue of a bad fuel pump. That little fucker has been doing me justice the day I bought it. You got a little bit of a mist in here. That might just be the bad fuel pressure, because again, we're rocking on the fucking gas pump for a golf cart or some shit. But reportedly, this thing had a bad engine. It's been sitting since 2016. But no, 2019. Go with that. As you can see, she's running. I actually just moved her backwards into the spot here. Recognize those plates? But again, she is in surprisingly nice shape. This was really, really dry rotted bad tires. I love Crown Vics. They just don't die ever. Again, they said this thing had a bad engine. Once again, I have proven that was a lie. Okay, we have one bad motor. Okay, 3 out of 4. I'll take it. Although I wonder. Uh-oh, here comes the rain. She'll work from over this side. Nope, just wishful thinking. Maybe that's a little quick one, because again, this is just being done. So I can hear her running. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's just fuel pressure. Have AC? Oh yeah, that fuel pump is tired. Oh yeah. It's in... Yeah, okay, I'll turn you off, girl. Fine. Surprisingly, for an 01, she has the dome light in LED. No mirrors. What the fuck is this? Okay, that's something I've never seen. I didn't notice before. So she has a microrecorder in here somewhere. Factory books. I love it. Let's see. They have her wired up to have the key in to pop the trunk, but it works. Carpets are in decent shape. Very, very dirty. That one's fucking green. No idea why on that one. Oh boy, here comes a lot more rain. And I have no idea. Oh, that's for a Jewel. Fuck. Ew, gross. Oh god, rain. I don't need your rain. I'm gonna hook the fuel pump. Again, this thing has been a great little buy right here. External pumps are amazing. I should really just get a fucking actual car fuel pump. But I'm cheap. We have a trunk organizer, but none of the glass, unfortunately. They cut out everything except the fucking taillight flashers. Triple antenna. She has the whole. Damn it, it's rain right in my damn eye. Alright, I'm gonna cut this one for a 5-minute video. She'll have more time in the future. But for right now, though, I'm quite pleased. Never had a blue one. I've had black and white, and one gray. You know what? Let me just be like that, huh? Good girl. I'm gonna quickly lock her up. Now I know that she's working properly. I can leave her here until tomorrow when it stops raining. Still, this has been a surprisingly good car. Alright, I'm getting out of the rain. Thanks for watching. A few days later, got her on base. Didn't upload the video yet, so I'm just going to merge these two together. So, talking to the college about this Vic. They had a security company that they hired and then fired. I was curious to know why they got fired, and I found out just now. Look at this tire. It is the only tire like this. They were doing burnouts. How do I know this even more? Look at the goddamn wheel arch. They burned out these tires heavily. These are good tires too. I'm not putting too much air in here because, well, yeah, this thing is fucked beyond fucked. It's only this one side because limited slip rear to her diff. Also, she got a little vacuuming. I found a format. She might be sold already before I can even finish fixing her up, so see how that goes. I don't have time to wash her, so she's gonna sit like this for a little while. Anywho, quick update. This Vic was from a police force to burnout vehicle. Someone's watching Clears McFarland, I'm guessing. Look at this side. Look how much treads left on this tire. Yeah, they just did burnouts in this poor Vic. Whap, whap. Anywho, I might do one more shot of air in there. Blows up, well, you'll see me deaf in a little while.